Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuliso wakho. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Ngifuna ukukhuluma ngo-number 10 laphana beMamelodi Sundowns bafethu, abambalwa engike ngababona, even nalaba engingababonanga. Ngazi ukuthi nomuntu oyifan leMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi who's your favorite number 10 weMamelodi Sundowns, because ngikhumbula uTeko Modise recently, uLucas Ribeiro, noGustin Sirino naye wafika eSouth Africa washisa kakhulu, and then khona uPapi Zotwane bafethu, and then lo angizange ngimbone uGodfrey Sapula, ngizange ngimbone uRoger Fedumba, ngizange ngimbone, angibazi labantu. But uRoger Fedumba when I was young bengilizwa igama lakhona, but angikaze ngambona edlala. uSapula I think ngike ngambona kancane bafethu, but yibo number 10 beMamelodi Sundowns overall bafethu. But nengike ngababona obviously creatively, I think uLucas Ribeiro bafethu is possibly the best number 10 in terms of his skill ne-flair ne-contribution ne-aggression yakhe ukuya phambili. Abeka super talented kakhulu ebholeni lase-South Africa. I mean ama-stats even wakhe bafethu, ngiyazi ukuthi mina ibhola ngilijaji ngama-stats, ngilijaja based on wena mawulibambile ngikubona kula ngijaja khona. But uLucas Ribeiro mebamba ibhola ucreate something out of nothing, uya-assist, uyakora, uyaphambili, uyalwa. But-ke umuntu owangenza the guy that made me fall in love with football uTeko Modise. I mean iflair yakhe, especially laphana ku-Orlando Pirates. iMamelodi Sundowns ithole uTeko Modise lo sekayi-hold, like seka-more central, akasayi phambili kakhulu, just a good pass off the ball, seka-more matured, akasagijimi. uTeko Modise wayegijima and used to take players on, abashiye wayehlupha kakhulu. But lo weMamelodi Sundowns azange ahluphe kakhulu uTeko Modise, to be fair, was just more matured manje, ashaya amaphasi lapho nalapho. Speed bekangasasebenzisi kakhulu, just besebenzisa intelligence yakhe overall kuMamelodi Sundowns. And sikhumbule ukuthi kuMamelodi Sundowns kula aqala khona ukuwina izinto uTeko Modise bafethu, and he was not like highly influential kuMamelodi Sundowns, to be fair. Even now CAF Champions League, I remember amanye amagame bekangawadlali laphana, but khona la besebamfaka khona njengoba uTeko Modise, or ukuholda igame or ukubhalansa, ukudictate i-tempo of the game. And sikhumbule ukuthi noPitso Mosimane kube kwaba ne-back and forth, mhlawumbe i-star power, izinto ezinjalo. But yeah, he was not the Teko Modise that I fell in love with lo waku-Orlando Pirates. But yeah, still uGeneral madoda ayizinje. And then uGustin Sirino introduction yakhe ku-South African football obvious walandwa iMamelodi Sundowns. Udlale kuMamelodi Sundowns from 2019 to 2024. Na i-contribution yakhe kuMamelodi Sundowns bafethu important kakhulu laphana. I mean yabona lo muntu mangimbukela mina laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns ngimbona wayehlupha bafethu. Yabona i-peak of uGustin Sirino masimbona kuMamelodi Sundowns under uPitso Mosimane. And that way asayinwa ngakhona, I mean he was not supposed to be ku-South African football. Babe scout elinye iplayer but bambona laphana, guess what, wenze ibukwayo. And kuMamelodi Sundowns wine ama-league multiple, wine i-knockout, so wine nje ama-cup competitions amaningi kakhulu laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns. Contribution yakhe overall, I mean second to none. And uversatile uGustin Sirino, ukwazi ukudlala ku-attacking midfielder, ukwazi ukudlala ku-right wing, left wing. Noma ungambeka kuphi uGustin Sirino uzokudilivela, uzokuphefomela. That is why i-Kaizer Chiefs mayithole i-opportunity ukuthi imsayine uGustin Sirino azange hesitate bafethu, ivele yagijima. And bese siyabona ukuthi uGustin Sirino seyakhula. iKaizer Chiefs bamsayina nangakhe was 33 or so lapho nje. But-ke they didn't hesitate because of bayazi ukuthi overall egamini bafethu ulethani uGustin Sirino, super exciting. Umdlali kuMamelodi Sundowns bafethu udlala amagame ayi-202, kore 41 goals, 44 assists. Kusho ukuthi kuMamelodi Sundowns ucontribute amagoli awungaki, awu-85 overall bafethu, direct from yena, cabanga. So influence yakhe kuMamelodi Sundowns ngeke ibe close to leya ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs uyadlala, I think so far Kaizer Chiefs udlala amagame ayi-37, washaya 5 goals na-7 assists. Obviously uyakhula, is becoming, i-engine yakhe ayisafani than i-introduction yakhe kuMamelodi Sundowns. That is why singaboni, there's nothing much really esiyibonayo ngaye laphana uGustin Sirino ku-Kaizer Chiefs. In terms of amagoli nama-assist, ngisho that side siyamazi ukuthi u-talented nokuba talented bafethu, lokho ngeke sikuphike, but he is lacking just that thing besiyibona kuMamelodi Sundowns. But what a player kuMamelodi Sundowns, contribution yakhe is one of the best players I've watched mina bafethu ebholeni overall. Ukumbukela uGustin Sereno, I mean, it's second to none. One of the best I've seen overall. And then Papi Zotwana, I didn't see much of him, but ngiyazi ukuthi waye-attacking midfielder laphana for iMamelodi Sundowns kuladuma khona kakhulu. Ibhola nje bekadlala. Maningi ama-player amrate high. Ngibone ubani lo mjida lo wayedlala ibhola athanda i-flair overall. UZongo ekhuluma ngaye ethi uPapi Zotwana is even better than uTeko Modise, ecabanga bafethu. But yeah, it's ngeke phela simphikise, wabukela ibhola the way alibukela ngakhona umfethu yena. At the same time wabona ukuthi usibanibani udlala kanjani, usibanibani udlala kanjani, uzokhethela ukuthi ubani o-better and greater than omunye umuntu. But yeah, uPapi Zotwana he was highly influential, a good, bekakwazi ukuliprotect. The time mina ngimbukela, I think bekuyi-last years of i-career yakhe bafethu. Even I think yes, ku-Golden Arrows la bengambona khona kakhulu. Yes, Golden Arrows la ngambona khona kakhulu, sengiyakhumbula. He was very good, like bekakwazi ukuprotect ibhola, akwazi ukuliholda, like enza izinto zenzeka, dictator everything laphana inside the field of play. Was super comfortable on the ball, like wayengasifihli. Khona ama-player mawuwabukele bafethu ayafihla wona, uyabona ukuthi hayibo lo muntu lo ayikho-ke indaba yakhe, uyazifihla, akabonakali nokubonakala. Yes, so I think I was very young when I was introduced to football, by the way. Golden Arrows ngambona kancane, and then waya kuMamelodi Sundowns, and then kuBloemfontein Celtic. Yeah, I think bona kuBloemfontein Celtic uke waba khona lapho nje. But yeah, what a player, what a player. Yibo number 10 beMamelodi Sundowns. I wish ngabe ngambona bafethu uGodfrey Sapula. I don't know much about him, angifuni ukuqamba amanga bafethu. No Roger Fetumba. Ngikhule, I think bekuney'ngoma zaka-Roger Fetumba ingane encane ngingakangeni nesikole. Bengilizwa le gama leli, kusho ukuthi wayeyi-problem naye, but I didn't see him. Hhayi, qamba amanga ngeke ungisize ngalutho bafethu. I didn't see the guy at all. At least-ke kuthiwa ngambona ukuthi wayenzani. Bengizokwazi ukumjaja from lapho, but ngizomjaja kanjani umuntu engingakaze ngimbone edlala. But yeah, mina my favorite overall would be uTeko Modise. I think uTeko Modise ngimthanda more than bonke o-number 10 abake badlala kuMamelodi Sundowns, but ngimthanda based on i-performance yakhe ku-Orlando Pirates because ngimbonile. But in terms of i-contribution akekho bafethu for Lucas Ribeiro, hhayi akekho. Lucas Ribeiro udlale 2 years nje kuphela laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns, but influence yakhe influence yakhe, une-influence ngathi udlale kuMamelodi Sundowns 5 years or 7 years, kanti no, udlale 2 years nje kuphela wazihambela umfowethu. And then ucontribute 37 goals in 2 years. Uke wayizwa player in recent years futhi, and lo muntu sikhumbula ukuthi akusi-striker lo bafethu, akusi-striker nje, udlalela i-different position, not striker, u-number 10, a creative midfielder, but he is able to outscore even i-striker. Hhayi urolile ibhola lase-South Africa uLucas Ribeiro. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.